Hi guys, welcome to my channel UI Alchemy. My name is Nitin. In my previous video, I saw quick introduction about React.js. In my today's video, we're gonna see how to set up React.js. To set up React.js, we have some prerequisites. You should be knowing basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Also, we need Node.js to be installed in our system, and we need code editor. You can use any code editor as you prefer. I prefer VS Code, so I will be using VS Code. And if you don't know how to install Node.js, let me show you. So you can go this URL, either you can just search Node.js download. So click on first URL, click on your OS type. In my case, it's Windows, and you can click Windows installer. You can click on save. So in my case, I have already installed. So I have already set up. So I just skipping this part. So once you have just set up Node.js, to verify it is installed or not, you can just open your command prompt and type node hyphen v. V stands for version. So you should be getting version here. So once you got the version, so you're good to go. So yeah. So I will be using Vite to set up React.js. So what is Vite? So it's a fast development build tool. It provides instant development server optimized for modern web applications used to quickly set up a React project. So we'll see how Vite is used to quickly set up React project. So let's dive into VS Code. So once you open VS Code, you can click on terminal, new terminal. You can select command prompt. So to install React.js, we have a command npm create Vite latest. Latest is for to get the latest version. So once you click on enter, so it will ask for project name. I just give add and we select React because this tutorial is about React. And I don't gonna use TypeScript, so we'll be using plain JavaScript. I I will be clicking on no. I will show how to do manually. So you can see it is suggesting to do these steps. So let do that. cd add npm install. You can do either install or just I. So this will install all the dependencies. So what happens when we click npm install? So that what that will do? That will go to package.json and it will search. It will see for dependencies. So it will install all the dependencies into the node models. So you can see it is installed. Let's run the application. To run the application, we have a command npm run dev. So once you enter, so it has been application has been live. So you can copy this URL or you can click Control plus right click. So you can see this is our project. Let me open in browser. Just copy the URL and paste in the browser. So you can see React project is running. So by default, Vite provides a small project. That's a counter one. So you can see every time I click on this button, the count is increasing. So let's change this text and see how it works. So so let me tell you. So the React entry point is it will come in src main.js. So this is our component. In next video, we're gonna see what is component. So for now, the main.js is the entry point, and it is rendering app component. So in an app component, whatever you're seeing here, it is rendering here. So get started. You can see here, get started. We'll replace with something else. UI. Okay. Let me save this. So once I save, you can see it has been changed. For this, that's all about this video, guys. In next video, we're gonna see what is functional components, what is JSX, state and prop. So in this playlist, what we're gonna do, so instead of just going through topics and giving a learning by some basic example, what we will do, we will be learning these topics by building a small projects. So small real world projects, how we gonna implement this topic into a real world projects. So end of this playlist, you guys will be having some idea that oh, this topic will be implemented in this condition. So that in end of this playlist, you will be ready to build a real world project. Thank you for watching, guys. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe.